Sign up to Mr. Tidy Garden on Facebook and on Instagram
and YouTube. Welcome to the jungle. So I just have the box off the still now because it's not going to be able to collect this grass. As you can see, guys, it's pretty high. This is the first visit from Mr. Tidy Garden, and he's going to tidy this garden. Oh my god. So it has been raining all night, so yeah, just done a bit of strimming now. See by my pants there, you know, my boots. But yeah, guys, just going to crack on with it. I'll give you a look at the after, all under control. Now, to finish before it rains. Oh, and I'm going to show you guys a little trick there now that I always use. See the way I have the blower standing? So look, watch this now. Blower standing like this, and I just put my hand on it and pick it up rather than having to bend all the way down to the handle. Saves my back. So a little trick I developed, so when I'm going along I just grab it and into the other hand. Now, there you go. First coat, very wet, very yellow. Gonna let the air get at it now, guys. And this is new on the Mr. Tidy route. Welcome to the Mr. Tidy group. And it's all under control, so I'll be back in 3 weeks. Now today is first coat rental day, as you can clearly see now, guys. Rough and ready stuff here, alright? What am I going to face, because I haven't been here in months. So this is the first time look after the winter, not too bad. Yeah, we'll cut this down now and get it back to spec. So yeah, so I was saying now, guys, enjoy the videos, put on the kettle, have a cup of tea, have a bag of sweets, bar, chocolate, whatever it is. But there we go. First cut of the year. Not my best work, but you look, jungle control. And there's the robin. Just jumped into the garden, guys, okay? Look at this now. Just jumped into the garden. So happy days for him, he can get down at the worms now. You see? So we do around here, we feed the birds. So I'll sort it there now. Just the front. Now these are hellebores, and they come up in the spring, and they do well in shaded areas now, these. So those now are, and the irises as well come up as well. And I have a fuchsia here now which I cut back hard. There's a fatty there, fuchsia, that I cut back hard, and I have another fuchsia there, and then there's some agapanthus grown up inside there as well. So there'll be nice colours. And there's the mahogany, you know, that I moved a few weeks ago. Look how well it's doing, huh? But anyway, there's the lawn fade and cut, and the feed now is starting to work away the nitrogen, and the sulphur now is starting to go through the lawn and green it up. So it's getting nice and green here. So lads, it's like night and day now for me some days, because I go from rentals that are just quick mow and go and blow, and then I come to the likes of these places where it's very pristine gardening. So it's a nice variety being a gardener, you know. So I hope you're enjoying the video. Hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. No, I'm just busy here doing the privet hedges, cutting back the privet hedges with the still HLA 86. And look, all the way along here now, guys, all the way along. I just put back the camera. All the way down, and it's all the way down the side of the house, and all the way along here as well. Just trying to keep them in shape now. They're holding their shape because they're starting to explode now. And I'm trying to get ahead. But what do they say? We're trying to get ahead, get a hat. So, yeah. Am I getting ahead? But look, the workload will be less in a few weeks because these are really going to take off. I'm just going to trim this side over here now as well. It was just starting to rain, but look, the Acer tree is starting to bloom. The lawns are cut. You can see now, guys, all the flowers are starting to bloom again. So it's beautiful. And if you look over there, right, at the tree fern, I'll zoom in, boom. I just deadheaded it there now so that it'll encourage new growth. The old frost got to it or something, you know. So it's all under control here, guys. Over and out.